Something that is interesting is how I was making and posting 3 videos a day at the start of this journey in like April to promote Holy Ezumezu. But I forgot that it was useful to me and that I made it. I mean, because more brought it, right? It was a freestyle, but also that it was useful to me when I just finished making it. But I forgot when I started posting. I got into the chaos of pumping out videos and where's the fan at that time? I wasn't using the music anymore. I mean, I heard it a few times every day when I was editing videos, but my dream diary helps me collect statistics. If I start a new thing in my life and the data in the dream diary becomes blurry or scanty, then I know that thing has affected me. For example, it helped convince me to cancel the boost. I started posting April 9th. This spate of posting, right? In April, I still managed to see stuff and I had entries for 19 days. I mean, a lot of those days were blurry, like just one detail, unclear. Didn't remember shit. Just maybe I still got the mood, because the mood of your dream is very important in telling what happened, because you might even wake up crying in a dream and you know that obviously that can't be a happy dream even if you don't remember the dream, right? So the mood was what was carrying me through those periods. So yeah, I was only remembering pieces of unclear information. But by me, I had engagement proper, right? And me, it was bad. I had like only 15 days of dreaming or remembering the dream at all. And the same thing, it was just small details, very fucked up, right? Moving blind through this precarious plane. Then it came back to me. Sometime in late May, I started playing Holy Ezumezu on repeat. Once I got in bed to sleep, I'll be playing it until I slept off and wake up. Maybe if I manage to wake up, maybe I'll switch it off. But if not, it could play till my phone goes off or something. Now in the 8 days since I started that, I've dreamt every day. Very clear dreams, so that I'll wake up and write in my dream diary full details. Guys, Holy Ezumezu is useful, man. It works. No cap. Use it forever and ever. By the way, you can invest in my soon to be released music. $120 for 7%, up to 45% available per record. You get passive income monthly for the rest of your life. Check my pin post for more details on this offer. Offer is only available to Ndi Ogomo. It's for us by us. You know what I'm saying? Peace. Thanks for streaming Holy Ezumezu, guys. Blessings. More to come.